This one is my raspberry parfait. This one's my necromancer's kush. Got another little clipping right here from my bath springer. But I've decided I'm going to show you guys how to go about it, or at least what I do. Is I got my plant here. I could take one from the top. I've heard people suggest doing that. I'm going to try that sometime. But I've had these little sucker, branches here that I've bent down and kind of, decided I was going to get rid of these ones. Well, I waited until they got a little bit bigger so that I can just, clip them and clip them just like that. You clip it kind of like that. And what I do, let me focus here. Come on, focus, focus, focus. It's not wanting to focus. There we go. What I do is I just pull those little branches off, kind of like this. If my stuff will ever focus, but I just pull those little branches off, kind of like that. Those little things, and you cut it at an angle, like I did. Pull the branches off. I got my little root cube here. Here it is. And here's my Clonex. I just started using this stuff. I've rooted plants before without it, just putting it in my hydroponic ebb and flow system. But for people that don't have a system like this, or like I have, you can just get some of this Clonex gel, dab it in there, and then stick it in the cube. And boom, there you have it. Just like that. Got me a little clone. Well, hopefully, it should root. But, oh, no. I got my raspberry parfait. Alright. So I got right here necromancer's kush, raspberry parfait, and bath springer. It's been 11 days since I went and got my clippings from my plants, my bath springer, raspberry parfait, and necromancer's kush. I put them in my ebb and flow system, which I recently painted and redid and cleaned out. So it's good to go. It's rooting stuff. Let's see. Well, look at that. All three of them rooted. That's exactly how I do it, guys. Put it in an ebb and flow and just let it go. Keep growing, Growmies. Peace out.